Triumph recently unveiled two models in its 2024 Scrambler lineup: the new Triumph Scrambler 1200X, which will replace the outgoing 1200XC and is a bike the company is touting as more accessible in terms of both functionality and cost, and an updated Scrambler 1200XE. Both Scramblers feature the same liquid-cooled 1,200 cubic centimeters parallel twin with SOHC and a 270-degree crankshaft. Triumph says peak power and torque now arrive slightly earlier in the rev range than previous models, with a claimed 89 horsepower at 7,000 RPM and a peak torque of 81 lb-ft at 4,250 RPM. A new single 50mm throttle body and revised exhaust headers deliver improved flow and a broader spread of torque through the upper rev range, from 5,000 RPM through to the redline. At the unveiling of the bikes, Alistair Fairgrieve, Triumph's global product marketing manager, said the revisions to the header also reduce heat to the rider, in addition to the significant improvements already introduced in that area in 2021. Advertisement: 2024 Suzuki GSX S1000 GX Plus review video. Both bikes have throttle-by-wire, a 6-speed gearbox, and a slip/assist clutch. Riders can choose between 5 ride modes: Sport, Road, Rain, Off-Road, and Rider configurable, with the XE offering an additional Off-Road Pro mode. For suspension, Triumph has moved away from the Showa and Öhlins suspension and is now using Marzocchi components on both bikes. The Triumph Scrambler 1200X features a road-biased 45mm inverted fork and preload adjustable twin rear shocks with piggyback reservoirs. Travel is 6.7 inches front and back, down from 7.9 inches on the outgoing XC. The 1200XE has a more off-road focused setup, with fully adjustable components front and back, including more compression and rebound increments, and offering 9.8 inches of travel. Triumph's Tiger 900 models also use Marzocchi, and Fairgrieve called the company the go-to guys, adding that Triumph was really confident that they could deliver a great setup. Stuart Wood, Triumph's chief engineer, echoed this sentiment later during the unveiling. "We had a really good experience working with Marzocchi on the Tiger 900s, he said, adding that Triumph was similarly pleased with the outcome on the Scrambler 1200s. The benefit is 100% for the rider and the owner in terms of value.